In 2008, our region faced one of the most devastating climate disasters in Brazil. Landslides, floods, entire communities at risk. At that time, we were there, working with manual solutions, trying to respond with limited tools. It was slow, costly, and not enough. That experience led to a question. How can we make land restoration faster, scalable, and accessible? VERDETEC developed a scalable, nature-based solution that restores degraded land efficiently and at large scale. Using hydroseeding, we stabilize soil, prevent erosion, and rapidly establish vegetation. But we didn't stop at technology. We created a business model that empowers people to become entrepreneurs. Today, a growing network delivers restoration across entire regions. Our network restores more than 2 million square meters of land every month. In large-scale operations, we achieve results over 30 times faster, with more than 70% cost reduction. Beyond restoring land, we are transforming lives, creating jobs, income, and new opportunities. Now, we are ready to scale this solution globally, from Latin America to the Middle East, Africa, and beyond. In 2008, we reacted to disaster. Today, we are prepared. VERDETEC does not just restore land. We scale restoration.